Let's make a fast, fresh, and savory spinach salad with pasta and avocado. Cook the ravioli according to the package directions until al dente. While the pasta cooks, coarsely chop the basil. Cut the white bread into cubes and half the cherry tomatoes. Heat the olive oil in a frying pan and fry the bread cubes for 5 minutes until golden brown and crispy. Stir frequently. Meanwhile, cut the avocado in half lengthwise and remove the pit. Scoop out the flesh and cut into slices. Chop the spinach coarsely and place in a salad bowl. Toss with basil and salad dressing. Toss the ravioli, avocado, and tomatoes with the spinach. Add croutons and salt and pepper. Serve and enjoy this savory spinach salad with pasta and avocado.